How many of you guys out there have these rolling seats with really, really small casters on them, rolling across the shop, next thing you know, bam, hit a stone on your face? Been there, lots of this stuff. This one actually isn't so bad because it's lower to the ground. It doesn't seem to have that big of an issue, but I seen this guy online. This is a Vevor rolling race seat, but look at these casters. Two of them actually lock, which I think is okay, I guess, if you wanted them to, but either way, the caster size on this is absolutely amazing, and that is why I wanted to pick this up and look at it, because rolling around with this should be awesome. Let's get this guy on the floor. Rolling around with this thing is absolutely amazing. It just goes anywhere, and this is at its lowest setting, which isn't horrible. I can work down low. It could go a touch lower. The one thing that I see a little issue with is this just kind of flops around down here. Not a big deal, but I guess you could use it to turn. It's interesting to say the least, but I can also lift this seat up, work a little bit higher. I just love how this rolls around. It's pretty sweet. It's not overly expensive, but I'll tell you, casters on the bottom make it wonderful. That is what I think makes this seat. Not that the actual seat itself is that great. It's not bad. I think it leans back a little bit too far. I'd like to have a little more upright seating in this, like I said, this tray, but at the point of being able to roll around comfortably, knowing that I'm not going to hit something and flop over, that's awesome. Our driveway outside the shop is stone, so we bring those stones in here, and it is not uncommon for us to hit a stone, flop one of these over, or at least get hung up and have to kind of move around to get around that stone. This is going to take care of that. Is it the highest quality that's out there? No, it is not. It is an affordable solution with large casters. Is there better? Possibly. I'd love to hear what you're using. If you have something that is similar in caster size or rolls well. This to me works. Don't get me wrong, I've had this thing forever. I bet many of you guys have the same one. I mean, they were very popular 20 years ago, but it's the casters. If they were just a little bit bigger or maybe wider, however it went, you could get over and around things easier, and I think it would make this just as good. Maybe this is a little more budget friendly than this guy, but either way, I think that these two are pretty standard for what most people should have. Comments below on that. I'm really interested. What are you using? What do you have? Do you like this caster size? What do you think about the seat? It's not going to be the most durable. It's not going to be industrial. It's not going to be job site. This is going to be someone's home shop. I think it's pretty cool. Let me know what you think. Give me a like in this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.